Hello y'all, I'm so tired. We ran a whole lot of errands today, but I just wanted to come at the end of the day. I'm saying the end of the day because I'm about to wrap my hair. I've been out of the house since about 9 and right now it is about 6:30. So here's my hair being out in the Houston heat, and y'all know it's in the 3 digits every day, and it rained a little today. So this is my hair. It's still fluffier than I would like it, but I'm hoping that after that first shampoo, it's gonna be like, girl. Hey.
It gets better in time. Keep your head up, keep your shine. Hold my hand up. It gets better in time. Don't you worry, don't you cry. I can promise it gets better in time. Keep your head up, keep your shine. Hold my hand up, it gets better in time. I really wanna tell you what you mean to me, but I'm afraid our story would end. Weighing all your dreams against reality, where you're falling in love with a friend. If I just came out and told you you're my everything, they would never be the same. Or maybe with the love we found.
This is, I believe, the 3rd day of my hair being straight. I'm about to shampoo it. The whole time I've really been looking forward to how my hair is going to look after I do that first shampoo. So I know y'all are ready too, so here we go.
Falling together.